Hello kids, welcome to Bright Kids Learning. Speaking activity, feelings and emotions. How are you feeling today? Tell your friends and teachers. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. Bored, bored, bored. Angry, angry, angry. Surprised, surprised, surprised. Worried, worried, worried. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Embarrassed, embarrassed, embarrassed. Fine, fine, fine. Thanks for participating. Bye bye kids. Like, share and subscribe.